see the lecture regarding the how to create a complete BOQ using area only. If you giving the area and you have specified the what kind of material you have used, then Cloud A or AI tool will give the BOQ for that particular thing. So let's assume a complete BOQ prompt for as a detailed BOQ for my residential project. Okay. So you are a senior quantity surveyor having 20 years of experience, and you have that project location is Pune. Area is 2,500 square feet. Material is premium. Includes civil, plumbing, electrical, painting, flooring, false ceiling, landscape. Provide quantity, unit rate, and amount. Add GST, add contingencies, prepare Excel table in format. So this is a complete prompt preparing for the 2,500 square feet bungalow. We can assume it. So I will copy this particular prompt and okay. So I directly copy this prompt. We will check both the I have created this, I have tested this prompt and already Cloud gives me that particular result. Okay. But I'm giving live example with respect to that and just we will see what result will be come. So this is the prompt for Cloud and another prompt is for the ChatGPT. So we are giving same prompt for Cloud as well as ChatGPT and both are working. You can see. So how this prompt or how this BOQ is useful when you meet a client with respect to your preliminary plan, okay, and you are giving some budget or everything. So that will be give you immense idea about the project cost. Okay. And client will be also happy for that particular thing. You have a budget, you have a cost of that particular thing, and it will be gives you idea about this is feasible for the client. This POQ is feasible for the client or not. So then after the negotiation, after the discussion, you will get an idea about how to optimize that particular cost with respect to that quality of the material, with respect to construction cost, what kind of uh, the elevation or architectural perspective they require. So on that basis, you can optimize your things. Okay, so you can see uh, Cloud and ChatGPT gives you immense idea about overall project cost, including landscaping, including interior design. Right now, I'm not including my in my prompt like for interior design cost. Only I'm adding the landscaping, plumbing, electrical, hall ceiling, and civil work. Okay, and this is the gives you including GST and contingencies. So it will be give you overall idea about one construction of the one residential building or bungalow. It is near about 2,500 square feet. So that will be give you idea about BOQ. And we have prepared this particular thing in Excel table format. So let's see what result will come. Okay, so if you see, ChatGPT gives you faster result, but the formatting of any kind of project, for example, you can see I have downloaded it and I'm going to download folder and see. So this is the sorry, this is one of my student. Okay, this will detail. So okay, so this is the result actually ChatGPT uses. So there is a difference between outcome from Cloud, outcome from the ChatGPT. If you see, Cloud gives the output like with proper formatting, proper is. That's why it takes time. So we need to prepare that particular things with respect to that So this is also comes with ChatGPT, and let's see, this is open in downloading also. Okay, so I have given you disclaimer for that. If you are providing any kind of prompt, you need to be careful about your input, because it is not, don't rely 100% on AI, because there is some kind of project yours. So it is giving proper output, proper outcome, but your validation and verification is very, very crucial. So we will see both the excels here. One is that from ChatGPT, it is a basic thing. They have given only data, okay, and uh, this is the gives you BOQ in quantity is excavation and foundation quantity is 40. Then RCC quantity 55 cubic meter. Reinforcements is 7.5 metric ton. 8500 square feet for the plastering quantity. Plumbing we can say 1 LS lump sum. Then premium wiring 1 lump sum. So this is lump sum rate they have assumed. Okay. So verified filtering tanks is costing it is around this 320 per square feet. Then paint also given is a 42, gypsum ceiling 165, and garden. So total quantity, if you get that particular subtotal is what is the 44 lakh 91,500 contingencies. The ChatGPT provided 5%, GST 18%, grand total is 55 lakh 64,969. Okay. So while you using that particular thing, particularly in case of the BOQ, in detail BOQ, you can see how the calculation is provided. So this kind of BOQ, you will get detailed idea about what kind of quality of the material we have used and what is the cost. So against the cost, we can check our what kind of quality we can provide as per owners or clients budget. So this is a chat GPT output. You can see civil work, plumbing, electrical, plumbing. So this is a chat GPT output. And another we will see the cloud. So clouds actually gives the location. So formatting is very, very nice from the cloud provided in their outputs. So you need to check site clearance, layout, leveling, 2500. Quantity is given 8 rupees. So they have detailed that particular thing. So civil work they have calculated separately. Okay, so Cloud gives the detailed result as compared to ChatGPT. So Cloud wins here. So Cloud versus ChatGPT, we can say the Cloud wins this race for the BOQ calculation. So for report preparation, for presentation purpose, you need to use Cloud. So site clearance and leveling 2500 per square foot rate is 8 rupees 20,000. Earthwork excavation PCC, it is given in proportion, not only PCC randomly. It is a 1 as to 4 as to 8 for bed blow footing. RCC footing work, RCC column work, and giving the grade of the concrete M25, M25. RCC beam work, slab work, it is M25 they have considered, and brickwork, ACC blocks, 200 premium, because we have mentioned premium quality of the material. So units have given cubic meter, and everything mentioned the quantity, rate, amount here. So total, and another thing is that detailing of the quantity calculation is very much at certain depth is providing by the cloud. So if you see, this is the civil works and total amount it will be like 19 lakh 95,900 rupees. So plumbing works, it is 11 lakhs. So plumbing works CPUC, UPC, it is the same assumed by ChatGPT and Cloud, but giving brand name as well, Astral, Ashirwad Premium. So they were giving premium sanitary wares, then premium CP fitting, so external plumbing, water storage. So it is a 11 lakh 20,000 rupees. So electrical works, we can say electrical works is the concealed wiring, light points, plug points, dedicated AC points, MCB distribution, modular switches, earthing, DG inverter, external landscaping, premiums. So it will be give you 8,70,250 rupees. So painting works, it is also given. So 5 lakh rupees. Storing works. So each and every quantity they have given in detail. You can see flooring works. E is the premium vitrified tiles 1800 by 1800 mm. Gajaria, Somani premium range. Skirting. So rate is also including with respect to premium quality. Okay. So 175. You need to validate as per your city, as per your project location, where you can procure your material. Okay. So you need to verify that rate. Quantity will be same in every location and every we can say where you can calculate it that. So this the total quantity is 6,68,000. Then false ceiling, everything they given. The cloud is use immense quality output than ChatGPT in that case. So landscaping work, so natural glass, paver blocks, plants, then automatic drip irrigation system, outdoor, everything they have considered, everything. So it is a total cost. It is will be contingencies at 5%, subtotal after contingencies, and GST 10% is 69 lakh 13,186. So this is assumption. This is the perfect BOQ any clients wants. Okay. And what another client is that, so it is a 55 lakhs. So it is a difference between two tools to calculating the quantities. Got it. So while you can calculating the quantities, everything, you need to give prompt properly. Otherwise, that's all. So this is the one of the tasks we need to consider yourself.
Sir,
So
shall
hmm,
we get measurement of this BOQ
measurement.
measurement
Yeah.
sheet,
Yes, yes, yes. If you want now,
quantification sheet of this?
you can add measurement sheet as a sample sheet. One of the sample sheet you need to put it in Cloud A and mention that please
Mhm.
create output as per attached reference sheet and use the prompt like
Mhm.
this. Okay. Otherwise, it will be not give. If you provide the reference, any kind of what you want as per your company, as per your own consultancy providing the that fashion, you will get same output.
Right.
If you want to add logo,
Okay.
you want a name of the consultant, for client names. So you everything you can give, they will add automatically. And once you create that particular in project tab, and every time you can go write a prompt, they will give output in same fashion. So every time you don't need to give everything, logo, name, everything, just the client name will be changed. The standard template will be as a permanent, you can work easily. Okay. So that is the thing. It is
Okay.
very very nice software. So we have don't assume, right? So there is a proportions are there. So if you want to change any kind of skill grade, then you can change that. But either we have are not adding the reinforcement, so that's why not reinforcement is not added, because we are particularly given include the civil. So RCC work then given, so they have added or assumed reinforcement comes under RCC work, but we need to cross verify what is the reinforcement cost, because we assume right 2 to 5% will be the cost of the reinforcement. So we need to assume in that way. So the 1.5 to 2%, and if your structure is very heavy, so it will go beyond 3%. So sometimes it is a 1.5 to 2.5%. It is reinforcement cost will be required for the RCC construction. So that is the thing you need to adapt. So another point is that so this is a total BOQ for the any bungalow construction. Okay, before 10, you can say the tendering stage project, proposal stage project, that BOQ will be applicable, no doubt. Okay, so session writing prompts as a very important part. If we have write the prompt good way, but sometimes while preparing the BOQ, you can see. So there is some kind of misunderstanding or location be not giving, then no material specification, no format, no output. So output will be the erroneous. So you need to give proper format. What format you require? What is that? So good prompt is will be you are a chartered quantity surveyor. Prepare a BOQ plus G plus two residential building. 3,000 square feet location, Pune, premium material, include earthwork, foundation, RCC, brickwork, plaster, flooring, door, windows, electrical, plumbing, painting. Prepare Excel format, include material cost, labor cost, equipment cost, GST, continuation, and final grant. So this prompt, previous prompt we have used, it is a very shorter format. Right now, this is a good prompt. Okay. So you can see this prompt will be very much important. Okay. So you need to do that particular thing. So you need to go much in detail. So if you are good prompt, so I will copy this prompt and we will create another project. Okay. In ChatGPT, similar manner, you can see ChatGPT output. Okay. ChatGPT gives you very quick result. So everything they calculated, cost summary, labor cost, 1 crore 48 lakh 15,000, built up area, grand total 4,938 per square foot. So this is the calculation. Okay. So, and we will go with another with cloud output. Cloud will create Excel, no doubt. So it takes times because it formatting everything cloud will do. So it's text form. So you should write prompt properly, otherwise it will not give you. Okay. So let's take a homework for this kind of the prompt to take another location. Just see when you do, they ask some questions. So all across 3,000 square total built up area or per. So we can say it is a total floor area, right? So 3,000 square foot is a total floor area. So I have considered 3,000 total built up area. They're asking it is a per floor area or total floor area. So you need to give proper input. In upcoming lectures, I will show you after the that particular thing. I have created a prompt for email as well or project assignment. How you can communicate with client with respect to our BOQ everything. So there is a I have created a prompt for different communication skills as well. So you will get in upcoming lectures. So because we are automated everything, right? Our workflow should be automated. So it in changes, what we are input considering, what assumptions are there. So we will be, cloud or AI will be communicated client automatically in the format, and you just send the email. This is your requirement. This is your actual cost against your budget. It is what so what is that you have we have assumed considered as per your requirement and what you want to change. So that communication takes at least one week while you generally manually calculating the quantities, right? So you are using the AI automated flow. It takes 2 to 3 days. If client is very prompt or very responsive, it will be take 1 day as well. It takes 1 minute, 18 seconds, 19 seconds. So Clouded takes time because it gives very good output with formatting. So it takes almost you can say 5 minutes work if you are
Yes.
correcting. And you if you are practicing more, model will be creating in every aspect. So that how many times you run the model for the AI tools. So that will be give you idea about that. So you can see there is a model names are there. So I will show you after that. This is a Sonnet High. This is a model. Opus 5 is there and 5 Fable 5. This is a requires credit. So if you I have paid version I'm using, but Fable 5 is available for some period of time, not all the time. Sonnet 5 for everyday task, Opus 5 complex task. Okay. And AQ 1.5 quick answer. It is a short answer they give efforts. So high, medium, max thinking. More models are there, so you can use this. Okay. So this is the cloudest features. And also same for the chat GPT during the results. So there is a various models are there. Think they are not shown here. Okay, those is I'm ChatGPT plus I'm using right now. So okay, so there is a lot many tasks there. Okay, we'll check where is the model. While we putting the prompt, there is asking the model name also. What kind of model you require? So, sir, you have created your prompt for 5 buildings or not?
No, that I created floor area today. Floor area and door window setting. I got
Okay.
it perfectly. Okay. That
Yes, sir.
today,
Perfectly.
tomorrow
You
also I
got
will try
got
with
it perfectly, right?
yeah.
Yes. This is very useful. It is
But,
if you are
but
going
sir, this BOQ shows just the headlights of that particular element. But can you get a detailed BOQ like including
including,
scaffolding, providing?
of
No, the
course,
BOQ
but
should be
you
very
should
detailed.
have that particular sizes. Like structural drawing,
Sizes.
do you have? Do you have
Yeah, yeah, that
structural
was
drawing? Clean beam, you
yeah.
have that. Scaffolding also give you. And if you
Right,
uploading the specification
scaffolding
document,
curing, curing,
yes.
vibrating.
Yes, 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 yes. If you giving the details now, that will be you
No,
created. So we will start from basics. So some medium
okay.
complex and then complex. So that will
Yeah,
giving
yeah,
detail modeling also, not an issue. So I will next lecture, I will show you how to calculate the structural quantity as well.
okay, okay.
So I am sharing you because of we need to first consider some item which is easy to calculate,
Yeah,
then go for the complex, and then we can say detailed BOQ as well.
yeah,
See, this is a very good output. You can see G+2 residential Pune, and I have given total built up area is 3,000 square feet. Microsoft Excel. See, premium specifications, everything. Quantity, material rate, labor rate, equipment rate, material cost, labor cost, equipment cost. Plaster, flooring, window, electrical, plumbing. So we have already itemized that particular thing. So I'm not reading again and again. I'm just giving you output with so some kind of formatting is required, but it takes almost 10 to 15 minutes to read and correct the formatting like the way. Okay, you can see this is a very good platform. Can calculate chartered quantity service. So total cost will be 52 lakhs. So 3,000 square foot approximate rate is suppose 1,749. So you need to verify on this cost should be it is matching with your
yes,
current. Yes. You can directly put this DSR also, whatever doc you are
yeah,
guiding rates are there now. So you can upload it. You can write use per unit cost or rate from this document. The Cloud or ChatGPT will refer that particular document, get the rate, and give you in the Excel format. Okay. So any
yeah,
complex things, for example, excavation, foundation, accessory work, painting, flooring, plumbing work, and any other quantities, just try to give it for apartment G+4, G+10, G+22, and then try it. I have given live demonstration here, right? But you need to try it in on our own because I had tried multiple times. Just I'm getting result from you also, guys. So just try it to in on over your cloud model. Okay,
okay,
just try it and give me your feedback.
yeah,
Okay,
okay,
so just this prompt I will copy paste in chat box. Copy it. So ChatGPT and that particular thing, you can see lot many things we can automate it with respect to creating that. Another thing is that the beneficial is we can create drawing also, 2D drawings. And with there is another
Yes.
models, we can create 3D models from the 2D drawings as well. So there is a lot many features of AI is there, and Autodesk, Bentley are more and more money they are investing in that particular automation. So in future trend, you can see there may be lot many options you can see they can provide us for the automation. So you can learn this from the basic. Okay, so we have understand the what is AI model, what is the AI tool we can use with that efficiency of that particular model. Cloud, how it works, how we can understand it. ChatGPT also work how it is works, what is the output comes from Cloud and ChatGPT. Differentiate between ChatGPT and Cloud is also very important. So we can see lot many things about how to create a BOQ in minutes. Okay, so first of all, you can create your input properly, clean and clear input. The second thing, you need to write prompt in very mature way, not like prepare a BOQ, prepare a RTT quantity without specifying any details. That will be give you incorrect output. I'm directly saying that because if you are not giving correct prompt, it will be giving not correct result. So first of all, you need to work on your drawings because you should reduce your laborious work. You can reduce your whole work, right, using AI. So your efficiency will be increased by 50 to 70% using AI, not 100%. Because if you are going to depend only on AI or ChatGPT model, then any owner or any client will directly give you prompt and get the result, and that will be not fine for us also as a professional. So there is a requirement of professionals to validate the result, to check the result, okay, verify the result, and that is very much important. Got it? So, sir, try it
Yeah.
in your way. So,
Yeah,
we
okay.
will see
Yeah.
sir's output. Yesterday, they have shared with us. I will open his Excel. Okay, so this is our one of our student prepare that particular thing. He's Bungalow 58. He's a professional. This is a right. This is a live project. This is a live project. Practical case today, right? This is not assumed.
Yeah. Yeah. No, not
Yes.
okay.
So,
Just
servant toilet is
today I
passage.
created.
Yes, this is a farmhouse type of the project. So this is
Yeah.
the lift shaft, deck, everything have
Yeah.
given and door window. So you
Yeah.
have
I have
calculated, right?
I have marked very clearly that offsets and all.
Yes, yes.
That is the reason I got it.
So next lecture you can share input as well. So we will compare
Yeah, yeah, no problem.
what
No
you
problem.
have do it and what
Yes,
prompt
yes.
is work. So it will be
Okay.
comparison. It will be very easy.
Yeah,
Okay.
yes.
So that will
Okay.
be very easy. Window type, main door, bedroom. So that's great. You can see remark. So we will create right after that measurement sheet and abstract sheet separate. If your all the
Yeah,
drawings are
yes.
ready
Okay.
from architecture,
Mm,
structural, plumbing, then we can calculate this basis
yeah.
on drawing specification, and we can create two kind of submissions. One is a measurement sheet, one is abstract sheet, and then we can create a complete BOQ within that particular submission format.
Yeah.
Okay, so this is a great.
Okay.
So it's good journey. So
Yeah.
Kulkarni sir, any doubt?
Nothing. No. I will try tomorrow onwards to start that session, working
Yes.
from soon, for the different projects with
Okay.
foundation structural.
Yes, yes, yes. So you got the job, right? No, you are starting working.
Not it. Not it.
Okay, so start
There are
work with
some.
your live project, and you can
Mm,
right now you can work with your consulting or whatever you live project you are working, and then you can
okay.
start with that particular, and that will be very
Okay.
exciting and funny way. So you will get that fun also
Yeah.
because this is a
Yeah.
created automatic way, and we need to just try it again and again. So
Yeah.
that's great thing. So we will meet next
Okay.
week. Just to try to submit
Okay.
before Monday, because I will try to check everything with prompt and everything, and I will open it before our lecture.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Okay.
So try it.
Okay.
Just after one lecture, we can try to increase our
Okay.
lecture hours also, because after the complexity, there
Okay.
we need to,
Okay.
because Cloud
Yes.
A or ChatGPT take times to for the complex project as
Yes.
well. So we need to
Yes.
check
Yes.
as well. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, sir. Thanks. Thanks. Thanks.